Hi, good evening, everyone. It's me, Dania Hussain, your host for today for She Talk Season 2. She Talk Season 2 is a powerful platform which celebrates voices and unknown stories and unheard stories from various inspiring women. And today with us, we have one such inspiring woman who is Miss Vanita Pandey. She is running her own construction company and now she has launched her own healing therapy platform, which is called the Subconscious Valley. And it's also an app and a website as well. So, welcome, ma'am, to our show, and thank you so much for coming today for She Talk Season 2.
Thank you so much your invitation. I felt so excited and I found that it is the right platform to talk about something which is very close to my heart. In general, we consider therapies as one-to-one therapies where you're lying down and closing your eyes and someone is talking to you. But for the first time, I'm bringing something very unique, audio therapies. I'm bringing audio therapies for various topics that the lifestyle problems we are facing nowadays. It's maybe it's weight loss, maybe it's children therapies. So yeah, this is what I'm bringing here. I'm really happy and excited to share about that more.
Great, amazing. So, Miss Vanita, how did your journey begin?
For the subconscious valley, actually, the journey has taken a long route. When I was expecting my second child, I had a little bit time, and I thought, why not give a try to learning something different? I took a setback from my career, and I learned therapy, and I also learned various healing modalities. Healing is my calling, I guess, because I can sense the deep pain people face, and I really want to help each and every person who is healing because bringing out something you have, but you are not healed, and because of that, you are lacking, and you are not putting the person you are. Healing should be available to everyone. It shouldn't be a luxury. People shouldn't be stopped by resources. There are social stigmas and taboos that people doesn't want to go to psychologists somewhere, you can say. So I'm bringing subconscious valley, and the actual journey started for subconscious valley during corona when I started giving free sessions for healing to the people because there was chaos all over. Everyone was laid back in their houses and people were facing so many mental issues. So I started, why not, this is my right time to give to the society back.
Right.
And this is how it started. But subconscious valley started as it is an audio healing session. It started from my mother because when I was reading all whatever the material, healing material I had, my mama was not able to process that because language was the biggest barrier.
Yeah.
So I thought, if I have to reach the masses, if I have to heal the world, I have to speak to them in their language.
Yes.
And through the audio sessions, I'll whisper into your ears, into your language, and speak to your subconscious mind, and healing will work like a magical wand. You will be a different person if you are receptive of those healing sessions and you are repetitive.
Yeah.
It is definitely gonna work. We are working on it since 2 years. We have done our trials and testings, and we have got amazing results. We have happy clients who have used the audio therapies, and now finally, this is the time to bring it to the world.
What challenges did you face?
That's an interesting question, actually. If you're going to start something which is not heard of, which is
Yeah.
very different from the people perspective, as actually nobody can imagine having audio therapies. And there were technical issues regarding the sound engineering and everything. For that, I had to hire a team from India. I worked with a team in London. I had to go there, and my daughter was there. She is also co-founder of in Subconscious Valley. She's the person who has brought this idea into reality because she was working for these audios to make them in realities.
Amazing. So, what exactly is Subconscious Valley offering?
Subconscious Valley offering first of its kind audio healing therapy sessions. therapy is not just for your mental health. It is about the lifestyle changes you're facing on nowadays,
Yeah.
be it weight loss, be it screen time of children,
Yeah.
be it anxiety,
Uh,
be it addiction to substances. So we have therapies particularly to deal with those topics. Subconscious valley is your brain gym. It works as your mental spa. As you go to gym every day, enhance your physical stamina for your body. Similarly, subconscious valley is your brain gym. You just have to listen and devote your time to listen, and healing will happen automatically. You will be more calmer, you will be more focused, your anxiety will be gone in few sessions itself. And whatever challenges you are facing to, if your people come to me and ask me why I'm not losing weight, even if I'm doing diets, even if I'm following the exercise routine, what they are lacking is motivation. What they are lacking, that pool is given by subconscious valley through our audio sessions. Your subconscious will rewire automatically to the suggestions given in that particular session, and this is will be a transformation completely. Your subconscious will be rewired, transformed, and new suggestions will be stored. So it is like a reprogramming of your brain and recharge for your subconscious mind.
so, why are the audios generalized rather than individually tailored?
That is an amazing thing to bring in front. I'm really happy that you asked. The programming in our brain is same. Have you seen a newborn child? Until in the toddler age, all newborn look similar. They act similar. They react similar. They smile similar. But as they grow, they store the beliefs, the persona of their parents. They learn from their parents, they learn from their neighbors, and this is how they build their beliefs, their patterns, their behaviors. So we are working on the reprogramming of the subconscious, not on how we react. So if the rewiring of subconscious mind is done, we don't act the way we are, and we will give our 100%. So it is a change on the ground level, not on the surface. It is safer, it is research backed, and it is cost effective. Because if you go to one-on-one therapies, it will be time consuming, it will be money consuming, you will spend a lot of money, and again, if the problem may reoccur. So in that way, audio therapy is very cost effective. It is private, it is your own tool, you are healing yourself. So we are not only giving you therapies, we are empowering you, we are helping you to bring your best, and you don't have to declare it to the public. You can find your own space in your own home or anywhere you are comfortable with, and you just have to give your time and a headphone and a willingness to click on the link.
Great, amazing. So, who can benefit from these sessions?
Audio therapy sessions are for anyone and everyone. Even we have therapies for the children, to the women, to the people who are suffering the lifestyle diseases, irrespective of gender, irrespective of age. So people going through mental health, people going through midlife crisis, women going through menopause, women going through premenopause. Even we will be introducing therapies for flight fear. So it is for everyone. There are therapies for mental health, including stress, anxiety. Where stress cannot be defined, but it is present in our day-to-day life. If we need to give our 100%, we need to work on our stress reduction, and this therapy is gonna be working like magic.
So, how do people access these therapies?
The access is really simple. You just have to log into Subconscious Valley, subscribe it, have a headphone, and devote your time and commitment. That is the biggest thing I'm asking from anyone who is using Subconscious Valley, because that rewiring, to get that benefit of calm, compose, confidence, focus, clarity, bring that inner light to the surface, you need to give time to yourself. You should be self-motivated to do. And I'm just asking few minutes from your day and a cozy place where you will not be disturbed. That's it. And therapy will do its job. My silent whisper in your ears through your headphone will do the wonders.
What impact do you hope this will create?
it is not just a platform, it's a movement. I need each and every individual who is suffering and who is not able to bring his 100% should benefit from this. It is cost effective, it is time effective, it is time saver, and it is scalable, so it can reach the masses. The person who is sitting at any corner, who is holding himself back, he should benefit from it. Even one person a day gets healed, it's my success.
Thank you so much, Miss Vanita, for joining us today for She Talk Season 2. And it was a wonderful session with you today. And we wish you all the best for all your future endeavors and upcoming projects. Thank you so much for being on our show today.
I'm really honored, Dania. Thank you for having me at She Talks. Thank you.
Thank you everyone for joining us today. And with this, we end our session today for She Talk Season 2. This is your host, Dania Hussain, signing off for today. Thank you so much.